Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I installed this DIY faux locks with curly end on my natural hair. So if that sounds like something you would like to see, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing I did was to get my hair parted by my braider. I didn't do this by myself because of how neat I wanted it to be, so I got it parted by my braider, and in total I have 55 parts. I'm going to leave the handle of the person's video I saw on TikTok. Anyways, so here's my crochet needle and the shine and jam I used for the hair, to part the hair to give it these very clean parts, and the hair in total, which is 55 faux locks. So first off, I just passed the loop underneath my natural hair using the crochet needle. Then I passed the faux locks to firmly secure it around my natural hair. Exactly, just like this. Then I went around and just wrapped my natural hair on the faux locks braids and on the part where I knotted it, just to give it a bit of volume. Then I went in with little natural twist hair, little kinky hair as you might also want to call it, and just began wrapping around, you know, on my natural hair to the point where my natural hair stopped, so that it could just blend seamlessly. So that's exactly what I did for this first method of installing the locks onto my natural hair. So here I just went around and I just knotted it properly so that it doesn't loosen. I've seen people use super glue, but I didn't want to use that on my hair, so I just decided to knot it. So that's exactly how this first step or this first method is. Okay, so here's another clip of the same step, just sped up a little bit for you guys to see. Okay, so here I just went back and just knotted the last part of that hair, because if you notice I didn't knot it. I don't know what I was thinking, but I realized I didn't, so I just went back and just knotted it properly so that it doesn't loosen. Okay, so now I'm about to show you another method which you can use if maybe you want to extend the length of your locks. Maybe you get like a shorter length and you want to give it some sort of extra length, so you can use this method. So basically you're just passing it on your natural hair. You're not passing it directly underneath, you're just passing it on your natural hair. Then you're going to use your natural hair like this and now pass under, that way you have extra length. Can you see? So depending on how long you want it to be, if you want it to be very long, you can just increase the length of your natural hair. Your natural hair will just serve as the expression braiding hair, yes, in this sense. Then you can just take your kinky hair and wrap around to just give it extra length. Yeah, or if you don't want the upper part of your hair to maybe look bulky, then you can just do this. I've seen braiders do it like this as well. So depending on what works for you. Honestly, I mixed both methods on my head. I was just playing around both of them. I don't know if I prefer any. I feel both work equally for me. So yeah, so you guys, that's basically it, honestly. You see me at the end of this video. Enjoy watching. Hey guys, so here's the final look. Close up view. Guys, I absolutely love this hair. Curls. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Until I see you in my next video, stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye guys.